Hey gang, Drex here from DrexFactory.com, coming at you with a brand new combo for the month of February. This is going to be an intermediate combo, both because of the number of tricks that it uses, as well as a little bit of dance flash that goes with it. For this month's combo, you're going to need the following tricks under your belt: stalls, stall chasers, archer weaves, windmills, spiral wraps, and horizontal stacks. You can find a playlist to all these videos down in the description or up in the cards if you happen to be watching this video on YouTube. Before we dive in, I just want to take a moment to give a shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Amazing Lights, Flow Toys, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for making the videos on this channel possible. You can find them all on the web by following the links down in the description of this video. The inspiration for this one actually came from listening to the song that it's set to, which is called 10,000 Emerald Pools by Born. Now, the really easy way to find all of your cues in this choreography is to listen for the snare hits. There is always going to be an accent on one. So let's start from the top and see how it goes. So to start off, your feet are together and your hands are by your sides and your head is down. So basically you're stepping out with your right on one end, 2 end is your left foot, 3 and 4 is you looking up. Now we're going to spread out our arms on 5 and 6 and look to your right hand on 7 and 8 and. Our next move is going to be a stall that takes our right hand over by our left, and we're going to step up with our right foot, like so. Then we're going to come right back to where we started with our right hand out to the side. Next, the right hand is going to go down and around to catch the left hand in a reverse weave. You're going to do an anti-spin archer's weave over to your right hand side. You need to arrive here by the time that next snare drum hits. So let's unpack that for a second, because the anti-spin archer's weave can look a little intimidating, but you actually use the exact same technique to do it that you do the in-spin archer weave going around the other way, yeah? So rather than at this point looking to slide your right hand up your left to go up and over, you're instead going to slide your right hand down your left as you go down and around. Likewise, it happens when you have your right hand on top of your left hand, right here, to slip down, and your left hand winds up on top over at your right hand side. From here, we're going to take that next half a measure to go down and around in an in-spin archer weave. You already know this one, so don't sweat it too much. So from this reverse archer weave, we're going to go straight into a spiral wrap right in front of our bodies that hits right on that snare drum once again. Now we're going to hold this for about half of a beat and then pop out of it with our left poi stalling down and our right poi stalling up. This is where we're going to start up with our stall chasers. To initiate our stall chasers, our right hand poi is going to come down and around to catch the left, and we're going to stall the left up over to our left hand side. Now when I stall the left hand poi up, I'm also going to step up with my left foot and touch it to my right knee in passe. Now I'm going to go back and do the other thing going to the other side. So the left poi carries the right up and over, and I step my right foot up to my left knee in passe once again. Cool, we're going to do a third stall chaser. The right hand poi is going to come down and around, and as the left hand poi stalls up, I'm going to have my entire body face over to stage right with my knee pointing there and my focus shifting down towards the floor. From here, that left hand poi is going to come around as though it's going to carry my right hand poi back up into another stall chaser. But it's not. What we're going to do instead is we're going to switch that top point into a set of together opposite stalls. It's going to look like this. Boom. So once we get to this tabletop place at the very top, we're going to switch this into a set of horizontal stacks, namely the mel. I'm going to have my right hand come around to my left, back to the center, left to the right, back to the center, and I'm going to finish it up with my right hand coming over to my left. Now when I have that final moment where my right hand comes over to my left, I'm going to turn that actually into a float stall that goes down. My entire body is going to crumple down to the ground as it does, and as I come back up, I'm going to switch into a windmill and finally finish the whole thing off with a spiral wrap. Now the spiral wrap happens, you guessed it, on a snare hit, and as I do that, I'm going to crumple my entire body down to stage right. Okay, so here's all that from the top. I start with my hands to my side and my head down. I step right, left, my head comes up, I stall the 2 poi out, and I go check over at my right hand. Now I stall, come back out, reverse archer weave, anti-spin archer weave around, in-spin archer weave forward, and I do the spiral wrap on the snare hit, hold it for 1 beat, come out and stall, stall chaser 1, stall chaser 2, stall chaser 3, I look away, I come up, switch the stall, do the horizontal stacks to the right, back to the left, float down, come back up, windmill, and spiral wrap down, and diminish down to stage right on that last snare hit. Wow, all that. Okay, let's see that again in slow-mo.
I'm diving deeper, deeper for you. Down to the bottom, 10,000 emerald pools. Down to the bottom, 10,000 emerald pools. Underwater, time is standing still. You're the treasure. Dive down deeper still. All I need is you. You're all I need to breathe. All I need is you. I make
Cool, I hope you guys dug this one. It is definitely on the dancier side, and I hope those of you guys out there who are playing around more with flow arts movement are gonna get a lot out of this one. I would love it if you learn this combo, take some video and post it to Instagram with the hashtag DrexFactorPoi. I can't wait to see you guys' version of this. Thank you so much for watching. If you got anything out of this video, please hit that like and subscribe button and help my channel grow. Special thanks to all of my awesome supporters on Patreon. You guys are the ones that make these videos possible. If you're not currently a backer but would like to sign up to support the work that I do, please go to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi. Thanks so much and peace.